Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove supervision on Instagram application. So just open the Instagram app and click on your profile, and once you go inside your profile section you will see these three lines in the bottom like upper right corner. Just click on these three lines and scroll down. At the end just keep scrolling and you will see this option called Family Center Supervision for Teen Accounts. Once you see this option, just click on it, and once you click on this option, I'm seeing the option called Get Started. But if you already have a supervisor or like somebody is supervising your account, you won't see this option. You will see the option directly to either add another like this one search section, share the link, or the supervisor will be added inside this list. You can just click on remove button, and once you click on remove, after that your supervision, or you can say the supervisor from your teen account, will be removed. And once you do that, like after that you can just restart your Instagram account, and hopefully make sure to come back to this setting and make sure that the person is removed properly. Once that is removed, hopefully your problem will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.